Hello you guys, welcome back to Shadesofmua. I am Martínez, and today's video, as you can see, it's all about art, dedication, creativity, and stepping out of that comfort zone. So I truly hope you enjoy this Explosión De Colores look. So if you like it, if you want to try it out, stay watching and hope you like it. So with my face already prepped and primed, I am going to start with two foundations. First, I'm going to use one that's 2 shades lighter than my skin, just to have that bright color into my skin. Using a 4 shades lighter foundation, only in the points I want for it to be super highlighted and super bright. Some concealer, cause obviously we want to hide them under bags. Buff and blend into the skin using whatever's left on the brush. Obviously you already know, some transition highlight. Yes, transition highlight, because I love to have that extra glow into my skin. Here I am setting my under eyes with baby powder. What? Yes, some baby powder to have that flawless under eye, and then regular translucent powder to the rest of the highlight. Focusing also on my nose because I want that matte finish since my nose is oily. Now cutting that contour to carve it out, but stopping halfway just to have that nice jawline super sharp. Some in the neck. So now I'm going with some primer into my eyelids to set that bright colors in. I'm going to add some bright matte yellow eyeshadow into this center close to the bridge of the nose and towards the forehead. Now to give it that cut crease kind of effect, I'm going to have some bright orange matte eyeshadow. Blend it with the yellow. You already know, blend, 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 buff, buff. So now with a wet brush, I'm going to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner as well. You already know. Using that same bright shimmery white eyeshadow, I am going to use it into the lid. Brush all this baby powder off. Keep blending. It's all about going creative. So for this nice sharp winged eyeliner, I am going to go in with a bluish aqua-ish eyeliner and an angle brush. Oh, muscle come through. And now to set the eyeliner, I am going to set it with a similar color eyeshadow, and at the sharp part I had used a navy blue eyeshadow. Now just blend and add a little bit more to the orange. Go creative. And to cut the crease with an angled brush, I am going to use some matte purple eyeshadow just to give it that drama. You already know me. Now smudge some of that blue eyeliner in the bottom part of my eyes just to give it that pop and craziness. Add some highlight onto my cheekbones because I want them to glow to the goddess using a wet fan brush. Now some mascara because obviously I want the rest for it to be the one standing out. No falsies this time. Now we finish blending the bottom lash line using some blue shimmery eyeshadow and some more of that greenish aqua-ish eyeliner. So now we're going into some contouring with a matte bronze powder. You already know, carve that out, super sharp. And obviously we don't want no double chins. So I'm going to kind of make that double chin show. And right on it, I am going to apply that matte bronze contour powder. Jawline come through. Some in the forehead, you already know. Down the bridge of the nose so it can look nice and slick. Now we're adding some blush, oh my god, blush honey, blush. Even more because obviously this is supposed to be super creative. Now with the same eyeliner, I am going to go through my eyebrows just to clean them and some non-toxic stick glue because I am going to be adding some loose glitter powder. Now for the lips, I'm going to use this lip paint I created with some crayons and coconut oil just in the center and blending out the little edges of the lipstick. Now to set this makeup, bathe into your setting makeup spray and just bathe in it. Alright, so this is it for today's look. I hope you guys truly enjoyed it as much as I did creating it for you guys. And remember, just be unique, be yourself. Dare to try this look. I would love to see you guys recreate it. And if you do, tag me on it. I would love to see it as well. And remember, give this a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. That way you can see all of my videos. And leave them suggestions for future videos. I love to see those. So yes, take care. See you on the next one.